Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. As always, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be talking about person pivots. What these are they're pivot points that are kind of altered, and person pivots are actually pretty popular if you do follow person pivots, or pivot points in general. Usually they're levels of support and resistance based off a full calculation, things like that, prior highs, lows, all that stuff. So these are the pivots. What I have are two. If you go into studies, edit studies, what I have on Thinkorswim platform, person pivots for the month and also the week. Okay, so these bigger ones that we could see, the green, white, right? These are the monthly resistance ones above, point of control, right? Or kind of like the regular one, and then these are actually support, right? Resistance, support levels. Look at how perfect these are. A lot of times you'll see price kind of rally right to it and then pull back. Sometimes you'll see a big reversal from them. Other times you'll see them actually kind of blow through to. They don't work perfect like everything, but usually they do get some type of a bounce. Look at this, right? Right down to it and the bounce, okay? So kind of understand, we kind of came down, went sideways. So they are good for scalping, looking for quick trades, but they're also good for major resistance. We came right down, okay? And right here we actually have a weekly and a monthly of the person pivots exactly at the same level. So something like that might be a really good indicator of maybe the buyers stepping in. And also you could see prior gaps and supports and lows and things like that with these person pivots. So hope that kind of helps of what they are. And let's what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below. Okay, so I'll share the chart and I will leave these down below. You can use these for stocks, anything like that. They're great for all over stocks, stocks, futures, things like that. So as always, thank you for watching, and again the link will be down below, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.